Just got this new Vizony projector. Let's compare it with AAXA P6 Ultimate. Competition Round 1. Price. Vizony is at $299 with Prime and P6U is $369. Not too much a difference have. Round 2. Brightness. They both accept USB, so I played a movie trailer. Honestly, the brightness is about the same. But why is Vizony's screen size so small? I put them at the same distance from the wall. Round 3. Size. There is really not much to talk about here. P6U wins. Round 4. Smart features. Both projectors support wireless mirroring and Bluetooth connection. But I realized P6 you can use streaming apps like YouTube or Netflix. Vizony doesn't support them, which is weird. Sorry Vizony, AAXA still wins. Extra round. Did you realize P6U can be battery powered? In fact, AAXA P6 you can operate for 6 hours with its battery inside, which makes it great for traveling. What do you think is a better projector? Comment below.